Looking at the user engagement data, you can see that you have your group name down the left-hand side. And then this sheet is anonymized for privacy, but you would see your unique user guild ID, first name, last name, email, job title, organization, the number of connections in a member's personal network, the percentage of profile that's been completed by the member, the country, and whether or not the person has downloaded the app. In Guild, complete profiles are a great way of building trust, so it's useful to understand who has completed their profile in full. A score of 44 in this column shows that the individual member has only completed the details required to sign up. Understanding who has downloaded the app is also an important indicator of engagement, as we tend to find that app users use Guild more habitually. Moving on to the more behavioural data, you can see here the last visit, which is Guild-wide rather than to your specific group. And within this column where you have a not applicable, that's because an individual member hasn't visited within the time frame you specified when you downloaded your data. You can see the total app visits, again within the time frame of your data, across Guild. And then for your specific group, the group messages sent and the group messages read. The direct messages sent and read number refers to direct messages across Guild, and the same is true of the number of applauses given and received. Finally, you can see the number of groups that an individual belongs to within your account and the number of groups that they belong to across Guild. There are lots of different ways to use the data. I like to understand whether people are behaving consistently and coming back to the groups on a regular basis. So I'll often download the data on a month-by-month basis and then track behaviour for each individual to understand whether or not they're using the group as part of their routine. Identifying the key contributors within your specific group is obviously an important part of data analysis. But combining pieces of data, such as the number of groups belonged to across Guild and the number of connection requests within someone's personal network, can also help you identify community influencers. And because you have access to individuals' email addresses, you can use the data to build segmented lists based on various factors, such as level of engagement or location.